Introducing Arosha Multi-Purpose Digital Lighting Controller. This project is named Arosha brand and is used in the lighting of various places and even used in vehicles. And it has several different and diverse lighting scenarios within its Android software. Due to the experience of working with different lighting control protocols and the lack of integration of these protocols with each other, as well as the lack of multi-platform controllability and multi-channel control of the existing devices, the idea was proposed to design and produce a multi-platform, multi-purpose, multi-channel device. Therefore, the initial research and development of the circuit board design, embedded programming and Android programming, up to the selection of the box, placement and the production of the complete product, and also the installation of the device and the implementation of the project were all done by me. The communication platform with the device is currently through Wi-Fi, but it is also possible to add multi-platform control capabilities, including control through Bluetooth and control through a computer under the web application software. This device is a suitable controller for all kinds of light elements, including pixel points and programmable LED strips and RGB light elements, which can be controlled through Android software having various lighting scenarios. This device has 8 digital input channels and 4 output channels, and it also has an AUX audio connector and a built-in microphone to change the brightness of light according to the intensity of the music, and in fact this device reacts to the sound of the environment. In the middle of the screen, the Android software has a circular color palette that can be used to select the desired light color. The Android software has a slider to set the brightness and also another slider to set the amplification gain of the built-in microphone. In fact, the controller board has an audio equalizer software that the amplification gain of it can be adjusted by the Android software. Also, in the Android software top screen, there exist 30 different lighting scenarios in 3 groups of 10 with the names Equalizer 1, Equalizer 2 and Equalizer 3, which can also be synchronized with the music. At the bottom of the screen there are 4 buttons. There is a button to turn on and off all scenarios, a button to turn on and off a single scenario, another button to turn on and off the internal microphone, and there is also a button for settings. LM2596 module, which is a switching DC to DC voltage reducer converter module, is used as DC power supply of whole circuit. All inputs and outputs of the circuit have optocouplers to isolate I/O ports from the MCU and protect it. An audio AUX connector is also placed next to the input port connectors, which is directly connected to the ADC pin of the chip. The main processor of this product is ESP8266 chip, which is also used as a Wi-Fi module. The main programming of the device is also done on this chip. In order to increase the input channels, an 8-bit demultiplexer IC named 4067 is used, which sweeps over the input channels at a high speed and transmits the status of the input to the processor with a single pin. The internal microphone of this device is a very powerful microphone, which is commonly being used in the surveillance and security system along with CCTV cameras. The microphone output is connected to HX711 module for further amplification. HX711 module is used to amplify the internal microphone, which is a differential amplifier and digital converter with 24-bit resolution, and its amplification gain can be adjusted with software command. Phonex connectors are used for the input and output ports so that they can be easily connected to the input and output wires with screws. A 2-pin Phonex connector is also used as input 12-volt supply connector. If we want to install the device on a vehicle, 4 inputs related to braking light, reverse drive light, right turn signal light, and left turn signal light are connected to 4 input channels of the device. And when the car brakes or turns or drives in reverse, the device executes a lighting alarm scenario accordingly. 10 lighting alarm scenarios have been programmed in the Android software for reverse drive, braking, and turning. This product can be installed and used almost anywhere, from the lighting for a desk to decoration around a mirror and behind the TV, or inside a balcony or hidden light inside the arc of a kitchen, and even for the lighting alarm of the vehicles. Also can be used in the wedding halls, the decoration of shops, and the interior or exterior lighting design of buildings and even sports clubs. This product is a complete device with Android software that is used to control the lighting and has been installed and used in many locations and also in cars.